We are ecstatic to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, guys, and in this video I would like to unbox this new INFINIX Smart 8 mobile phone or smartphone and just overall review what you get alongside it, what accessories you'll get from the box. So let's get right into it without any delays here. First we'll need to take this film off, which I have the handy knife for. Then we'll go through all the selling points that the INFINIX added to their packaging. So those are the 64 gigabytes of native internal storage you'll get, 6 gigabytes of RAM, but it's not like all of it is hardware RAM. 3 of those gigabytes are actual RAM stick that you'll find inside your phone, and another 3 additional gigabytes are the virtual RAM, which you can enable in your system settings. Well, what else? Well, that's good to know that this phone has the maximum of 90 Hz display or screen refresh rate. They also have the punch hole screen with magic ring added to it, but I have no idea what does it mean, to be honest. What else? Well, the battery capacity is 5000 mAh with a Type-C charging, enhanced or boosted volume, side fingerprint sensor or scanner, 13 megapixels dual camera, that's the main camera I would assume, and some top reliability, 360 lab quality tested, but well, we'll take your word for that, INFINIX. And well, that's not too many things to see here anymore. Well, you can see the specifications here if you're interested, so pause the video and look into them. Now let's open the box itself here. Well, there is another film as far as I can, or not. Let me double check it real quick. No film. God bless. So let's open it. Here is the smartphone itself, which is also protected by another layer of film, which you can easily peel. Let me show you how. Now, that's what the phone itself looks like. Here is, by the way, the INFINIX Hot 40i in comparison, so they look pretty similar, if you would be interested in, well, comparing them. Now let's power it on, and well, while it powers itself on, let's continue opening the box and seeing what accessories you are getting by buying this INFINIX Smart 8 phone. Well, a pretty default standard things to get. The 18 watt, right? No, it's not written. It doesn't tell you how many watts it is certified for, actually, or not as far as I can see at the very least. Yeah, anyway, the output is 5 volts. 5 volts for 2 amperes, so that's the most I will be able to tell you about it. So no fast charging with this default box kit charging brick. Unfortunately, you also get the headphones, which look something like that. The regular 3.5 mini jack connection, obviously. You also get the charging wire, USB to Type-C. Injection tool, pretty standard. Paperwork, user manual, and also the phone case. Here it is. It's a pretty interesting phone case, to be perfectly honest with you. As you can see, it doesn't engulf the phone all the way around. It has those flat parts, should I say, and well, just your generic cheap plastic phone case but I mean, even though it's generic and cheap, it's better to have this case installed than none, since it helps your phone. Well, it just protects it from damage, allows you to increase its durability, and well, this way it will wear off way slower. So I recommend that you put this phone case right right off the bat, so once you unbox your device, and then if you want to, well, change it or swap cases, just order a new one which you like and use it. And well, as far as the unboxing of this INFINIX Smart 8 smartphone goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.